Welcome back, everyone. Today we're, what are we building, Ethan?
Waterwheel.
Want to say that again without food in your mouth? What are we building?
Waterwheel.
There we go. Alright. Alright, move it back out of the way. Just some clamps to hold the piece so don't try to run away from us.
Here it comes, Bert.
Yeah. Don't grab it yet. Doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere. Bring it this way. Towards me. Right there, that's all. Alright, let's change the bit. 1/8 inch double flute end mill in.
Put it down.
Put it down?
Yeah.
This button right here. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go down and we want to zero off of that. Alright, right there. Now we want to draw it up. Click on this. Tape measure. Zero it like that. See how it's a zero? Go like this. 107. Alright, we'll remember that. See what size our project piece is. It's 10.
When should we draw it up?
So we create a new file. Y width, this is our job size. So we want to change that to 10. We'll change this to 10. So our thickness is 1, 0. We'll just make it 8, so we're definitely through the piece. We'll center the bit on the center of our part. We'll hit OK. We're going to do inches. We're going to hit the circle. Click on that. And now we're going to make a circle that's 10 inches round. So type in 10 inch diameter. This we're going to make 5, 5.
Yeah, but why don't you draw
Create.
it here? Can you draw it?
Want to move it. You grab it here at the center. And pull it into here so it's centered. Now we got our circle. We need to put slots in it so that when we glue it together it's nice and strong. So now we're going to bring a line down right there. Yep. Now we hit escape. Now we got one line. Now we're going to draw another line. Go from here to here. Go from the corner here. Click it there. Trim this. Now we're ready to go switch to toolpath. All these lines we can turn into a toolpath. Grab all these lines. We're going to make them profile toolpath. The cut depth, we want that to be 40 thousandths. End mill is 125. Now we selected the circle. We're going to do a profile toolpath, but this one we want to go the whole way through. So we're going to go 108. So that'll poke down the whole way through.
Why can't you put it down?
There, see? That's what it's going to look like. Does that look cool?
How do you do it?
I'll move it around.
Yeah.
You got to click and then you move the mouse around. Yep. Oh, hang on. Not that. Don't click on that. Whoa.
You know we could do that.
Just found out. There. Save toolpath. Load G code. There it is. Mark the center here. 5. Oh, this marker is dead.
Huh? What is that? How did the markers get dead?
Try this one. We don't hit this piece here. Alright, bud. You go up, come this way, down, right there. There that. So now we're right in the center. That's where our tool is, right there. Go. What do you think, bud? Should we do another one?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we got our pieces here and we need to cut some flat. So we're going to cut some out, some squares at 4 inches and 7/8, which are there. And then I think we're going to go 2.5 inches wide. Just take a sander to them real quick. You got them all? Now what are we gonna do, bud?
Glue.
Glue them?
Yeah.
We got our parts. We're gonna need a drill, drill bits, all thread, nuts and washers, glitter glue, granola bar. Alright, I think that's it.
Why do I'm gonna add much more?
Because I'm hungry. Lay that down, open up our glitter glue. It's clogged, I tell you.
Let me see.
Alright, I got an idea. If you want to see how I built this, you can follow my other channel in the description.
Will you do that?
Right, I got sidetracked. Oh, got off track a little bit there. 1/4-inch hole.
You drill the hole?
Yep. Alright, I should have done this before. Ah, it gotcha. Alright.
Then that broke through. One more.
Alright, looks like our glue dried here. We got some weight on it to hold it together. Just take that off. What's it look like?
Water wheel.
Look good? You inspecting it? Look at that glitter. What's next, Ethan?
Put this in here.
Do that. Our goal of doing this is not just to have a water wheel, but to make some power. By turning this, you can take a motor, a DC motor, and turn it into a generator. We'll definitely have to gear the water wheel down to be able to get the RPMs we need. That's the goal, to make some power and power a light, or maybe charge a battery or something like that. So we're going to wrap this video up here. Is that good, bud? Wrap it up here? We'll wrap it up here, and we're not sure if we'll be working on the mower next or finishing up the water wheel, but either way, please let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks.